Um, Up to last tutorial, what we have seen, what is resource and how to create our own resources, and how to create a methods, and how what is get and what is produce, and what does path means. So in this tutorial, in the last tutorial, what we have seen is I have a method which can return the student information. Okay, so what will happen in case I have a multiple number of student information, like I mean to say in simple way we can say it's a list of students. Okay, so I'm going to make a modifications in this method to return the list of students, and we are going to see how it is going to display in our browser. Okay, but before that, let me run this project and let me show you. So things are working fine. Just give me a second. Run server. So my service name is student service. Okay. Okay, so my resource name is student service CSTUD. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so I'm going to make the same, I'm going to make use of the same API, but now it is going to return the list of student result. Okay, okay, so I'm going to create a new list here. Okay, list of students, new array list. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have a list of students. Okay, so I'm going to return the list of students instead of student. Okay, so in other way I have to run the instead of student I have to run the student list. Okay, now I have a student one here. Okay, so I need to have multiple students here. So in order to send a multiple list, I need to have the different student list, I mean student information. So I can have student 1 and student 2 and student 3. Okay, Matthew, John and Chris, Jordan. Okay, and Phil. Carlson. Okay, I have three student information, so I'm going to add all the students into my list. Okay, students list is equal to arrays dot sorry arrays dot as list, and you need to provide the student 1 comma student 2 comma student 3. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, so just make sure everything is fine. So my path is student service, and I have a get method. Get method is nothing but calling the resources, and it is going to be produced the XML format. Okay, so let me once again let me restart the browser, I mean restart my Tomcat server. Okay, starting, just give me a second. Okay, so the server is it's up and running now. Let's go ahead and run the service, run server, next, finish. Okay, so our service is student service. Okay, what is wrong here? Okay, my service name is not correct. It has to be student service. Okay, why still I have only one student information here? Okay, let's go and see what is happening. Okay, so give me a minute. Okay, so still in my browser I'm seeing the only one student information. That means the new changes is not reflected still. So what we're gonna do is we are going to build the workspace one more time. Just build the project and just give it a refresh once, and restart your server. Okay, so it is start it is still starting. Okay, so it will take a while. Okay, my resources are loaded. Okay, if you want to see the resources, just go to the console. You can see the resources here, student resource and my resource. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh the service. See, that's all. Now we have a API service which can return the multiple student information. Okay, just give it a try and let me know if you need any clarification or any issues, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.